Hi everyone, this is Shrivani. I wanted to start a Docker learning videos. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is Docker and why we need Docker, how we can install it in the Mac OS or Windows OS. So firstly, why Docker comes into the picture. When we implement one application, if you run into our system, it will work. Trying to move your application into the higher environment, you might face some issues due to dependencies or infrastructure related. In that case, Docker will help you to run your application isolated from the local infrastructure, so it makes very easy to deploy your software wherever you want it to. Basically, we will use the Docker for building or development and sharing the applications by using the containers. It actually saves the money as well, because if you wanted to run the applications through VM, it required a lot of resources. Container, it won't use that many resources. So here how Docker really helps to run the application into the local. Docker has a concept that's container. What exactly the container? Container is a process that is isolated from all other processes. It actually run in from anywhere. There is no dependency with the operating system. It will support all the operating systems, portable we can say. And then there was a container image. So when we execute the container, it will create the image. The container image, again, it's an isolated file system. It contains all of the dependencies and then whatever the environment variables that are required for to run the applications encapsulated, and it's combined as a file system of the container image. So all things actually when we go through the hands-on, we can get to know, having a better idea. To install the Docker, go to the Docker documentation and click on the get Docker. If you are using the Mac, go here, and then if you are using the Windows, use this link. If the Mac OS is the Intel chip, click on this. Once the DMZ file downloaded, you need to run the installer of the DMZ, so and move it into the applications. So from here, go to the applications and then select the Docker. Just double click it, so it's opened. You have to create the Docker account. So for that you need to go to the docker.io and then sign in. Ready? Otherwise you need to sign up through command line. Also you can log in through the Docker. So Docker login. Once you install the Docker DMZ, Docker is available in your system. So since I have opened the Docker, it's showing login succeeded. So remaining things in the next video. Thank you everyone.